Hi friends, welcome to Simplifying Maths.
Today's topic is 2-digit into 2-digit multiplications. 2-digit into 2-digit multiplications. In last video, we have learned about single-digit multiplications in balancing method. In this video, we are doing 2-digit into 2-digit multiplications in balancing method. For 2-digit multiplication, we have two methods. That is, one is format method and balancing method. First, we are going to see balancing method. This method I am going to explain with an example. The example is 35 into 42. The example is 35 into 42. We are going to do this in a stepwise manner. In this method, the two numbers are written vertically. Like this, we have to first divide it. We have to divide this number into three parts. So the first part is we have to take this. I'm writing the solution here. Our first step is to divide these numbers into three parts. This is right part. This is right part. Okay, and this is left part. This is left part. This is center part. This is the center. So we have divided into three parts. First right part, center part and left part. So we have divided into three parts. So our first step is to simplify the left part. So left part we have to simplify. Left part is 3 and 4. So what we have to do is we have to multiply 3 into 4. We have to multiply 3 into 4. That gives us 12. Next, center one. The center what we have to do in center is, this is the center, right? This is the center. We have to multiply it in cross. That means 3 into 2 plus we have to multiply 3 and 2 in a diagonally. 4 into 5 we have to multiply the diagonals. And we have to add this 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5. We have to add the diagonals. That gives 3 to 6 plus 4 5 is 20. That gives us 26. And next, right part. So the right part is, right is 5 into 2. See, the right is 5 and 2. So we have to likewise left part we are going to multiply the right part also. Then we will get 10. 5 into 2 we will get 10. Then what we have to do is, the last step is we have to bring this all together like this. First we have to place the left part on the left side. And the center, the calculation we got in center, that is 26. We have to place it in center. And on the right side, we have to write the right part, that we have got 10. So this is the number we have got. In last video, we have did the balancing. That means we have left the first digit and the last digit, and we have calculated the middle ones. We have added the middle ones. So the same method we have to do here also. I'm taking a new page. So the numbers we have got here is left part. I'm writing it once again. Left part we have got is 12. Center, that center we have got is 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5. We have got 26 in center. And right part, we have got 10. That is 5 into 2 we have got 10. Like balancing method, we have to place it on the left side. We have to write 12 because we have got 12 on the left side. So we have to write the left part on left. Center, we have to write in this middle, we have to write the center part, that is 26 we have got. And on the right part we have to write the 10. That is right side. On the right side we have to write the right part. The right part is 10 we have got. So likewise in the last video, balancing method, we have to first leave the first number and place the number in the answer. That the first digit is 0 here on the right side. Let us write 0 here in the answer. First digit, the units place is 0 in the answer. And next add the other digits. That means we are adding 6 and 1. That will give us 7. So place the 7 in the answer as tens place and leave this now. And next we have to add 2 and 2 because other two digits are 2 and 2. So we are adding 2 and 2. We will get 4. Leave this, and last digit we have left on the right corner is 1. So place the digit as it is. So the answer for 35 into 42 is 1470. This is the answer. So let me explain you more clearly with another example. The example is 54 into 31. As per our first step, we have to write them into 3 parts. That means 54, 31. This is the right part. Our first step. This is our first step. This is the left part. And this is center. This is our first step. And our next step is simplify the left part. The left part is 5 into 3. This is left. That we have got as 15. And our third step is simplify the center one. That means we have to multiply diagonally and add both the diagonals that we have multiplied. That means 5 into 1 plus 3 into 4 we get. And that will give me 5 plus 12. The answer we get is 17. This is center. And our fourth step is the right part. That means the right side, both the numbers we have to multiply. That is 4 and 1. 4 into 1. We have to multiply. That gives 4. We have known that in last video, if in balancing method, we should not leave the digit singly. We should add a 0 before it. So for this right number, when I multiply 4 into 1, I have got 4. 4 is a single digit. I should make it a double digit. So I should add a 0 before the 4. Then it will become double digit. And we have got the right part also. This is right. Next, our fifth step is balancing. Our fifth step is balancing. That means on this left part we have to write the left part answer, that is 15. On center part, in middle we have to write center number, that is 17. On the right side we have to write the right part number, that is 04. Next, our sixth step is finding the answer. That means we have to leave this number alone. That means fourth number, the first number we have to leave it alone. On the right corner number we have to leave. On the left corner we have to leave the numbers. On middle these numbers we have to add. So I have left the right corner one, that is the units place. And next add the other numbers. So 0 plus 7 is 7. We have got tens place. And next leave this tens place. Next hundreds place. Next 5 plus 1, that means 6. We have got hundreds place. So the thousands place is the leftmost corner one. corner number. That leftmost corner number is 1. So place in 1 here. And this is the answer. This is the answer for 54 into 31. That's it. That's it for this video. In next video, we will learn on format method. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.